Amateurs talk about strategies, experts talk about logistic. This is a quote apparently from a high-ranking military guy, a high-ranking US military guy. And when he actually commented, and I don't even know if it's true, if it's actually something that has been said, but it's a quote that we've heard a lot when it comes to the current climate and the war that are actually going on right now. But there's actually a lesson that you can actually learn from this and that you can apply to your Amazon business, because it's exactly the same thing. You see a lot of beginners making the mistakes of thinking, and I'm sorry, my camera was about to fall. You see a lot of beginners making the mistake of thinking that you need some crazy sourcing strategies to actually make it on Amazon, while it's actually not. And this is not where you're going to see the biggest change, the biggest improvement when it comes to actually building and scaling your Amazon business. So this is what we are going to talk about in today's video. Before we do, two important links in the description. The first one is going to be for one-on-one coaching. If you need help scaling your business, if you need help with logistic, if you need logistic help, because this is what's going to help you a lot, or any other help, if it's sourcing, of course, you are welcome. You can book a call with me. Link in the description. The second link is for the Discord server. If you want to scale your business, if you want to grow it, you need to build a network. If you want to do it fast, at least. If you want to take some shortcut, the one-on-one coaching is a shortcut that you can take. Another shortcut that you can take is actually building a network. If you want to do it, join the Discord server, talk to people, interact with people, ask questions, answer questions, and this is how you're going to be able to build a network. So let's just start with the video. So the quote was, amateurs talk about strategies, experts talk about logistics. As I said, you see, and in my opinion, this is the biggest mistakes that you see people, that you actually see beginners making, is that, you know, and even people on Twitter, it doesn't matter if they make good money, they make low money, because sometimes we have beginners that have a lot of capital, that are able to spend a lot of money. And, you know, talking about some strategies and and I made a few videos on this in the past, but talking about how, you know, sourcing Nike products, I made a whole video about that. Sourcing Nike products is not good. I don't know, tactical arbitrage stuff, thanks. Walmart is a bad website. X, Y, and Z website is about website to source because product tank, because everybody looks at it because such and such and such, and like saying stuff like, if you source X, Y, or Z products, you are doing something wrong. If you are doing X, Y, or Z, you are doing something wrong. Look at me, I'm sourcing all those obscure websites, I'm way better than you. This is not what it is about, all right? Most of the time, when it comes to strategies, if you guys know, I've been saying it like a couple of times, but probably for the last 4 months, 5 months, I don't even think I'm spending like 2-3 hours a day, 2-3 hours a day. I'm sorry, not even a day, but 2-3 hours a day, 2-3 hours a week. I'm sorry, I'm not even spending that sourcing, all right? I'm just spending a few hours a month. And most of the time when I'm sourcing, I just bought product that I found in the past. And, you know, I just log into some website that I check. I see what's on sale. And there are some products that I know, I bought them. Or I just wait for products that I can actually replan to go back on sale. My business is pretty simple right now. Like, strategy-wise, it's not even like... And this is how you are actually going to scale, right? You don't need to put a lot of work. Sourcing is actually easy if you stick to the basics. You just find products cheap that you can sell on Amazon, and you make them cheaper, or you find products that are not cheap, but you make them cheaper by actually building a mold around them, by manufacturing your margins, and you actually sell them for more money on Amazon. That's basically the whole business. This is basically the whole business. You find products, all right, whether they are on sale or not, you find products, you manufacture your margins, and you sell them for more money on Amazon. That's the whole business. And how do you manufacture your margins? Coupons, cashback, gift cards, and membership rewards points. You use those 4 things and you actually, and sales, by the way, sales. You use those 5 things and you actually build a mold around your product, you manufacture your margins, and you sell them for more money. You build the margins yourself with those things, right? Or if there's already a margin on the product, you build a bigger margins by doing those things. And so this is how you actually run this business. That's pretty much it. That's the only thing. No, if you do storefront stalking, if you do some crazy storefront stalk, it does not matter. It does not matter at all. Like, at all. It doesn't matter at all. Like, all those strategies are there. The only strategy that you need to know is this: manufacture your margins. And so you need to know how to manufacture your margins effectively. How do you do this? Is by chasing sales. And people say, oh, on Twitter, I've seen people say that a lot lately, and say they've been saying, oh, I don't chase sales. Don't chase sales. I stay in my boring lane. I do this stuff all the time. I work 10 hours a day. It's really a dumb way to run this business. It's really a dumb way. Of course, you need to go with sales, because this is one of the biggest things to manufacture your margins. Of course. And so it's simple. Manufacture your margins, that's the whole business. And so the reason why I'm saying logistic is the more important thing is because you need to be able to buy your product as fast as possible, send them to your prep center as fast as possible, and you need to be able to get your products available as fast as possible, and you need to have, and logistic is going to become more and more important, by the way, because of the low inventory fee and all the new fees that Amazon is coming up with, all right? Not only that, but Amazon wants you to be in stock all the time if you want to be in the buy box more. And so Amazon also wants you to never go out of stock. Amazon wants you to have a reliable supply chain for all that stuff. And so logistic is the most important thing, not only to win the buy box, but also, to make sure that your business is actually running in an efficient way, and if you actually want to make money. And it's going to become more and more important. And so this is why, there's a big parallel in between this quote and like between modern warfare, if I can say it this way, and selling on Amazon, and what Amazon is going to become. It's all it's a logistic business, basically. And so you are just a logistic partner for Amazon, because you find the inventory and you actually make the inventory, like you take part, like a small part of the logistic for Amazon, take care of the other part. So that's it. That's all this business is, all right? It's not about sourcing, it's about getting profitable products to Amazon in an efficient way, all right? And keeping those items in stock. That's all it is about this business, right? This is what you need to understand, and it's not about coming up with new crazy sourcing strategies with the Keep Up Product Finder and being a nerd with all this shit. It's not what it is about, all right? It's about getting cheap products to Amazon in a timely manner, get in market fast, and selling those items. Because if you really want to improve your business, if you want to scale, the thing that you are going to have the most return on investment with is if you are 90 days, if it takes you 90 days to actually sell out your inventory, if you bring this down to 60 days to flip your inventory one time, the amount of time that you the money that you're going to make, how much it is going to increase your profit margins, like not even your profit margins, but like your profit at the end of the year is crazy, and you don't even realize it. And I made a whole video about it. And so this is why optimizing your logistics and all that stuff, and really understanding the logistics and your inventory, how much time your inventory turn in a year, all that stuff, and trying to maximize this is so important, actually, because all those sourcing strategies, yeah, it's cool if you find a one-time product that you can sell one time for 100% return on investment, and that sells super slow, so it could actually tank. It's cool to find it from time to time, but this is not what you build a successful business on the long term. And I will die on this hill. I know there's a lot of respected sellers that actually swear by slow-selling inventory, who says that that slow-selling inventory is actually better than fast-selling inventory. I don't agree. It's a really dumb way to actually see this business. This is my opinion, and I've been saying that. I made a whole video on the subject. There are some people that are respecting the community that are actually super dumb, and I'll say it again. All right, so yeah, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like, do all that stuff. Become better at logistics. Try to reduce your days in inventory to keep it in between 45 to 60 days, and right now it's going to need to be closer to 60 days of inventory at all time. Was it 60 days or 28? I forgot. Yeah, keep it in between 30 to 60 days, and you'll get the buy box a lot, and you'll be able to optimize everything. So hope this video was helpful. Focus on logistics, become better at logistics, fuck sourcing methods. This is what's helped you a lot as a beginner, but after that, focus on logistics. I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching.